gonna be too sudsy and soapy in here. Oh, that's hot. Let's get a little cold water in there. Look how soapy that is. That's too soapy. Look at that.
It's hot, it's hot.
Okay, it's full now.
Look at this big chunk.
Big chunk of soap. Okay.
Look at this big chunk.
Get some dishes in here.
Hi, Daddy.
Are you Captain Bubblebeard?
No.
Are you the pirate Captain Bubblebeard?
Hi, Daddy.
Or should I be a Bubblebeard too?
Yeah.
Arr, I'm going to steal your dishes and wash them for you. What do you think about that? Can you see how clean it is? Is it clean yet? Wash the inside. Wash the inside. No. Okay, wash the inside. Sure it's clean. Right there needs a little bit of scrubbing. There needs a little bit of scrubbing. Scrub it. Good. Did we clean it? Good? Yay! High five!
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, bubble high five. Bubble high five.